My name is Bill from the Greeks and I don't want to waste your time or mine. Before you will purchase this one-time, no questions asked, take it to the back guarantee course, let me go a step back. There is nothing worse than having absolute no results after paying a 500 online training to a so-called guru. Think of it for a second. You probably try to make ends meet as a college student, or maybe you have a 9-to-5 job, or you are a super busy, overwhelmed stay-at-home parent, or maybe your retirement plan has just failed. Then you pay this guy or girl saying how to make money online in a single afternoon. The worst part is not that you believed him or her. The worst part is that he or she is lying into your face. And believe it or not, 99 out of 100 are doing that. So guess what? We know this pain. Hell, I personally know the agony having to pay those house bills with only some coins left in my wallet and have $2 frozen meals in microwave on daily basis. Kindle Kings, our course is all about making money online without any inventory, and yes, without dropshipping, without a website, without an email list, without any budget for ads, without even writing a book and selling it after, if that was what you were thinking. Let's make it easier. Imagine in the next weeks and months you are able to wake up the time you want each day, making yourself a morning cup of coffee or tea, opening your laptop to check your emails and your daily online sales. All this from the comfort of your home. All you're doing is creating online no content or very minimum content books like journals and notebooks that sell like crazy on Amazon, for example. And all you did was learn and apply the exact same things you are about to see here. Just check quickly this front page of Amazon for gratitude journals. These 100 first books on Amazon worth over $170,000 in monthly revenue, and we haven't even touched the tip of the iceberg. Kindle Kings is 100% no questions asked 30-day take it to the bank guarantee course. And because we know that what we teach is working, we personally guarantee that if you make a diligent effort to use not all but just a few of the techniques in this course on daily basis, you will produce at least 30 times the cost of it in very short time. That's right, $508 or even above $1,500 and more extra profit you would never have seen without this course. If you do not at least break even, we will pay you 100% extra of the entire cost of this course on top of the no questions asked refund. Simple as that. And it's not over. Because we are not your next guru, during this launch we have decided to give away our complete step-by-step guide which will help you create your own print-on-demand business today. Wallet Case Profits. Wallet Case Profits is a proven way to build your own fire-and-forget e-commerce business with custom wallet phone cases. Only the done-for-you, ready-to-sell designs that are included inside this free bonus are worth over $500. Now the best part is, all that will not cost you even 1/10 of what they sell you out there. Not even $100. Not even 50. So purchase now Kindle Kings to gain access at the exclusive price plus the bonus. This offer is only good until the launch is over, after which it will return to its original price. Act now before it's too late. See you on the inside.